How to log out of WhatsApp account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to log yourself out of WhatsApp, then if you want to log out of your linked device, then firstly open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap on the settings option on the bottom right. Further, you will see the option for linked devices. Tap on that and then go ahead and select the device that you want to log out of, and you will see the option for log out there. So tap on the log out option, and when prompted, tap on log out again, and with this, that particular linked device will be logged out. However, if you want to completely log out of your WhatsApp account, then the only way to do that on your iPhone is to delete the app. So go to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp icon. In the menu that appears, you will see the remove app option. Tap on the remove app option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again, and once deleted, you will be logged out automatically of your WhatsApp account. And just in case if you reinstall the app later, then you will have to sign in with your phone number again. So this is how you can log out of WhatsApp account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.